Hey, do you ever feel like the day just weighs on you, and you need a way to reset without escaping your life completely? That's where this came in for me. I discovered the Edison Wave, and it's basically an 11-minute sound wave that activates alpha brainwaves. It sounded so simple, but I decided to test it. From the first time I listened, it felt like I was lifting a weight off my shoulders. The tension in my mind eased, and I felt centered again. Instead of ending the day drained, I found myself recharged after just a short session. It's like a mini vacation for your brain without going anywhere. Alpha brainwaves are linked to relaxation, focus, and even better learning. And I could feel all three showing up in how I handled my day. The best part is the convenience. 11 minutes is so easy to fit in, between tasks, after a stressful call, or right before bed. I started noticing that I wasn't reacting to stress the same way anymore. I was calmer, more balanced, and better able to handle whatever came up. It wasn't about running away from stress, but creating the space to deal with it clearly and calmly. That's powerful. If you've been looking for a natural way to reset your mind and feel lighter, I really recommend trying this. Check the link in the description. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to watch my other videos for more.